At that point, the front of the car was basically non-existent. We had fenders and hood from MG and front rails with strut towers from Miata. Unusual for this project, a comfortable position to be in. I had to build the front from scratch. The undercarriage with suspension and wheel were installed to check where the wheel would end up and to make some decisions about the suspension setup. As you can imagine, the wheels stick out significantly compared to the MG's body. Nearly from the beginning, the plan was to build this car as a racy MG Sebring replica. The original Sebring had fenders with flares, so the idea was to use the Fiberglass Sebring Body-kit, at least on the front. I had to trim a bit of this wall for our tube to fit in. The body kit though turned out to be so thick, low quality and hard to fit that for the moment I decided I would rebuild the front end based on the original fenders, which were much better fitting. The front end beyond the strut towers was built from lighter, softer seam tubes, forming a tube chassis that supported the bodywork and mounted components while creating a defined crumple zone. With properly positioned fenders, I built a very light sub-chassis with mounting points. It was made with smaller 1mm sidewall tubes, so it added only 5 kg to the front. I had to lift this tube a little bit to make space for the brake servo. Pretty tight fit.